Yes. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
OG Kush, what I'm smoking, nigga. Smoking, put the fire to a hater and smoke a nigga.